So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio TV menu not working, remote firmware and factory reset. Fix 1 is soft power cycle. Turn on your Vizio TV, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV for at least 30 seconds. Then wait for 3 to 2 minutes. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Second fix is hard factory reset. Locate the volume down and input button on the back of the bottom of your Vizio TV. Then press and hold both buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button when a prompt appears on the screen asking you to reset. Press and hold the input button on the another 10 seconds to confirm the factory reset. The TV will restart and erase all previous settings, allowing the initial setup again. Third fix is remote control check. Replace the batteries in your remote check if the IR transmitter and test if the TV responds to the physical button on the TV itself. Fourth fix is check for firmware update. Press the menu or gear setting button on your remote, then navigate to admin and privacy or system. Then select check for update. Follow the on-screen prompt to update to the latest version. Thanks for watching.